Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn Python basic for DevOps, but not in a boring theory way. Today is day 5 for Python 30-day 30-minute challenge. So, I will explain everything using real life example, DevOps scenario and Python code. So, if you are a beginner, DevOps engineer or preparing for interview, this video is for you. So, today I'm going to discuss variable, list, sets. So without any further delay, let's start. So today is day 5 of Python. Variables, numbers, string, list, tuple, set, everything I will discuss. Okay. So again, understand what is a Python. So Python is a popular language for DevOps automation. Next, what is variable? Okay, what is variable in Python? So first of all, let's understand what is variable. So by giving a real-time explanation, I will explain this. Okay, so imagine you have a box and you put something inside it. So water is there, okay, inside that box. The name of the box name, what it will be? It will called as a variable. And inside the item, like water is there, so that is value. Okay, the thing which is stored inside the water bottle, that is value. So in the technical term, if I'll explain, so in Python, a variable is used to store data in memory. So Python is dynamically typed, so you don't need to mention the data type. For example, if I will take here server web1, okay, that is server name, and CPU is 70%. So here server is storing a string, okay, and CPU is storing a number. So this is exactly how we store value in automation script. Now if you will ask how you know that this is a string and this is number, so I'll explain in the upcoming classes, but as of now for a string we are using that inverted comma, means it is a string. This is number because nothing is there, this numeric value. Are you getting my point? Now moving to the comments in Python. So let's talk about comments. So comment are like notes written for human, not for machine. Okay. Comment means something which is written for human, not for the machine. Okay. Used for readability. See, this is the single line comment. This is a comment. So whenever if you will are a programmer, you will see like sometime people use that has and then something has been written. So this is for our understanding, human understanding. This, if it is has this, it means that program is not going to read it. Okay, so in more technical, if I'll explain, so Python ignore comment during execution, this if it is hash. So comments improve readability and teamwork. Okay, so this is a single line comment. Okay, now if we'll talk about multi-line comment, so if we'll give three inverted comma, so in that way if multiple lines will be there and if you want to comment it down, then you will do like this comment. Okay, so this script monitor DevOps cells are like, so in this project like comments are very important, so it will not going to read by the machine. Now numbers in Python. So Python mainly use int and float. Okay, float. So see, server is equal to 5. So this is integer. Okay. Now CPU usage, that is 72.5. So this is nothing but float. Some decimal value is there, that's why it is called float. So if For example, let me explain the calculation so that you people will understand better way. Okay. Okay. Suppose total is equal to 100. Okay. Now used CPU is 72.5. Free space is equal to total minus used. Correct na? Now you just write, don't go with the format, I'm just writing simply F free disk colon free underscore space percentage. So in this way we can calculate, but this all will be in a capital small letter. Okay, so if you are writing this as an example, so this logic is used to monitoring a script. Are you getting my point? So this is the float example. Now see, disk usage scenario. So check disk, that is more than 80%, then sent an alert. Okay, like that. Now so string in Python. So strings are used everywhere in DevOps. For example, server name is Nginx, okay, and log path, URL. So here server name is Nginx. Okay, 1 minute. I will explain this by giving a more elaborate. I'm sorry. Now log path. Okay, log path is, you all know that everywhere where we will got like var log Nginx. Okay, and that is access log. So this is a service name example. In the same way, if we were going to discuss string operations, so this is service name. So if we are taking string operation, so suppose print service dot upper. Okay, this is one value. Print now length service, and print log path dot split. Okay, and always remember strings are immutable, so you cannot change them directly. So if you will run this as an example, so it will give you the value. Now see here, I have already explained upper and split. So this is the string operations. Now list in Python. So list is used when you have multiple values. Okay, see, server web1 db, so 2 string value is there. So in that scenario we will use list. And how can you recognize this is list? So square brackets will be there, bracket will be there, that you understand this is list. modify list, so some command is there, like modify list means lists are mutable, means we can change them. So I will give the example also. See, 1 minute, give me a second, 1 minute. Sorry for the inconvenient. Yeah, so we are discussing about modifying list content. So I told you that lists are mutable, means we can change them. So append and remove. So if I will give example, or I'm thinking to show you in git bash itself. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. I don't know. Okay. Python version is there. VENV. Okay. Now clear it. So we are here. Go inside my project. So I'm going to create giving an example. vi like modified py modify dot py. Okay, just write server dot append cache1. Okay, now next server dot remove, and you just write db1, close it. Now you can write server square braces 0, close it, and is equal to web hyphen main and print server. Okay, let's save it, and python modifying.py, let's execute it. Okay, trace back most recent call last 5. Server is not find. Okay, do one thing, copy it. Like this is the example, and if are not getting, then we can write in shell PowerShell. Okay. So vi demo.py. So vi mod define.py. vi itself is not, we can use it. Okay. Touch mode.py. Leave it. I have to fix something. As of now I'm showing here, but I'm promising you all that I will show you the real example also. So yeah, modify, or if you can do, you can do practice it. This is the example, and you will get the value. Now tuple in Python. Okay, so tuples are like read only list, configuration value that should not change. Config usist1. So whenever we are using for example AWS, so config value we have to give per usist1, like that. So if you are trying to modify it Python will throw an error. So set in Python. So what is set? Okay, so sets are used to store unique values, like unique IP address, or like for example, if some of the IP without duplicate, like 192.168.1.1, so this kind of IP address which there is no duplicate value, so that are set, and if duplicate value are there, that will automatically will be removed. Now set operation. Set operation means two types is there, union and intersection. Okay, so now set operation means union and intersection. So union means I can say some IP addresses will be there, and intersection will be, we will use print, and we'll use AND operations. And differences means better to show you example only. I will show this example in cell scripting, sorry, git bash itself. So as of now leave it, I will show. So this comparison will be the dev use cases practice, like this I will show you Python basics. So this is there, and if you didn't subscribe my channel, do subscribe it. Thank you for watching Study with Varsha. And today is day 5. In today itself 5a one video will be there. I will just show all the practical thing whatever I have discussed it now. So thanks for watching Study with Varsha. Have a great day. We'll meet soon.